Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How about a little more EDATEs? Here, we're going to look at the same date next year. Same structure. Here we go. EDATE B512. We want to go back. We want to go 2 years forward, 24. Back 12 months or back 1 year, 12. If you put 1, it's only going to be 1 month. So it has to be total number of months. So if you want 2 years, it's going to be 24. Using the EDATE function, you can determine the same date for the following year given a date. Here's how it works. EDATE B5. So we have the reporting date, same day next year. Same day 2 years. Same date last year. Hit F9. F9 really serves no other purpose other than to just show you changing dates. And again, if you want to know how I did this, it's just the ran between. Now, if I want a specific item, okay, golfers or golf scores or something like that, or a golfer, I'm going to pick a choose ran between. I'm going to format it, and I'll show you how I do that. Using the choose again. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you for your time.